The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome Camper is not just a vehicle. It is a sanctuary on wheels, a fusion of Japanese engineering precision and modern-day luxury that redefines what it means to travel the open road. At first glance, the design alone takes your breath away: sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold Mitsubishi grille, sharp LED headlamps, and a presence that feels both commanding and elegant. This is not just a camper, this is a moving masterpiece. Step inside, and you are instantly transported into an atmosphere that feels like a five-star hotel suite. Every detail inside has been designed with purpose, balance, and luxury in mind. The living area is wrapped in plush seating, crafted with premium leather and accented with soft ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Large panoramic windows surround the lounge, bringing the beauty of the outside world directly into your living space, whether it's mountains, ocean, or forest. Technology plays a starring role here. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome comes alive with a futuristic digital command system, voice-activated controls, and an AI-driven home management assistant that adjusts climate, entertainment, and even lighting. From your touchscreen hub, you can monitor energy levels, water tanks, and even project 3D maps of your journey ahead. It is not just convenient, it feels like traveling inside the future. The kitchen area is equally impressive, a true chef's delight. Sleek induction cooking surfaces, a smart refrigerator that keeps track of your groceries, and ample counter space make preparing meals on the road effortless. This is paired with clever storage solutions designed to maximize every inch, ensuring you never feel cramped. The bedroom is perhaps the crown jewel of the Mitsubishi Motorhome experience. A queen-sized smart bed with memory foam adapts to your body for perfect comfort. Above, soft LED lighting creates a serene mood, while blackout blinds and sound insulation ensure deep, uninterrupted sleep no matter where you park for the night. Imagine waking up in a luxury suite, only to open the window and find yourself surrounded by untouched nature. That is the promise of the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. And then comes the power beneath it all. Mitsubishi has equipped this camper with a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, giving you both strength and sustainability. A powerful electric motor combined with a fuel-efficient engine delivers smooth performance, quiet operation, and excellent range. Solar panels on the roof support clean energy charging, while advanced suspension ensures the ride remains silky smooth whether you're cruising highways or venturing off-road. Safety and durability are also at the core of Mitsubishi's vision. The 2026 Motorhome features advanced driver assist systems, collision avoidance, 360-degree cameras, and reinforced body design to withstand long journeys and unexpected terrains. This camper is not just built for comfort, it's built for adventure, engineered to carry you further and safer than ever before. Everywhere you look, the Mitsubishi Motorhome balances sophistication with practicality. It doesn't scream for attention, it speaks with quiet authority, offering an experience that is both refined and reliable. It is designed for those who seek freedom, comfort, and the thrill of exploration without compromise. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is not just transportation, it is a lifestyle, a home, a luxury suite, and a reliable partner for the journey ahead. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure, a weekend escape, or a full-time life on the road, this motorhome stands ready to transform your travels into something unforgettable. This is Mitsubishi's vision of the future, and it is waiting for you.